Did you know the greatest ruler of the Ottoman Empire may have personally destroyed it? Suleiman the Magnificent conquered Hungary, besieged Vienna, and commanded an empire stretching across 3 continents. No ruler of his era came close, but inside his own palace, he was blind. His favorite wife, Hurrem Sultan, wanted the throne for her own son. Standing in the way was Shehzad Mustafa, Suleiman's eldest son and the heir everyone expected. Brilliant, beloved by the army, respected by the court. So letters were forged. Letters that made Mustafa look like a traitor planning to overthrow his own father. Suleiman believed them. In 1553, he summoned Mustafa to his tent and had him strangled with a bowstring. The army wept openly. Some soldiers mutinied on the spot. What followed was exactly what everyone had feared. Suleiman's remaining sons went to war with each other the moment he died. The empire never fully recovered its footing. The man who won everything lost it in one room.